Hi, this is called Magic Cups, and what we're about to show you is a little analogy. You are the cup. We're just going to use two little paper Dixie cups, and we're going to put them on this hot plate that is very, very hot, all right? Paper on a hot plate. Let's see what happens. The hot plate in this analogy is going to represent peer pressure, and you're the cup. We're going to put two cups on the hot plate to experience peer pressure, but in one cup, we're going to fill it with water. The water represents being prepared, or preparing yourself. There's my cup with the water, there's my empty cup, and we're just going to watch what happens. Woo! Already, I notice that the empty cup is like smoking. The bottom's getting really dark. I don't know if you can see this. It's getting a little stinky in here. It's starting to shrivel. Is there a flame?
Yes, there is.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. It's like on Oh my gosh, it's like on fire almost.
You're not supposed to.
That's really
There's nothing special on the bottom of these cups. They're both regular Dixie cups right out of the box.
There's not quite a flame. Oh,
Wow.
as I say it.
Holy
As I
cow.
say it.
Oh my gosh.
As I say it, bro.
Yeah, that was exciting. That's a good one.
Can we do that again?
Notice that
I think we should talk.
this cup over here, filled with water, isn't burning at all. It's not even smoking.
The bottom is a little dark though.
Oh my god, it's turning white now.
Yeah, it's like paper.
Oh my
It's just
God.
nothing but paper.
Dude, it's crazy.
We should do it again, and people shouldn't talk. Shh.
Yes. Oh, that's
No.
So, if the
Especially
plate
since
is peer pressure,
It smells like s'mores.
and you're not prepared, what could happen to you?
you'd be
crumble.
dead.
You crumble.
You'd be like that white piece of paper.
You
that's on
wouldn't be-
fire.
Just burn
You wouldn't be
up.
prepared, and you just
Oh,
burn
You
up.
just crumble.
Your inside would burn.
Woo.
Why is
I'm
yours
starting to see some bubbles in the water in this cup.
starting to bubble?
Starting to boil.
That's pretty crazy. Can you
Um,
imagine? We
what
might
is this
actually boil water in a paper cup. It's directly on a hot plate.
Wait, there's a little bit.
Now that's some preparation.
Oh,
Oh.
my god! Oh,
Levitation.
Look at
And
that!
it was on fire a little
Oh,
Just leave it right there.
It had a little bit of a
oh,
flame.
oh, that's so
It had a
awesome.
little bit of a flame when it was going.
Levitation.
Did
Yep.
you see
We
that?
are almost starting to boil.
Should we redo it without them? Oh, it's starting.
Yeah, can
I
you
don't
just
know.
redo it?
I like the extra enthusiasm.
Well, we can't say when we're saying, like, oh, can we be inside?
And then we're
Now we'll have to
and then we're
re-record.
like, "Bruh."
We'll have to literally re-record.
It's okay.
Yeah, because they're like, oh.
How could you prepare yourself for peer pressure?
Well, depending on what class it is, like if it's science and there's a test and you need to study, then the
And
teacher
people are
calls
saying,
on
"Oh,
you're gonna
and
burn
there's
up."
A lot of peer pressure.
Or you
And
get one.
And
And
or
you
freaking
have
out.
peer pressure to like let your friend cheat off of you if they didn't study.
Could you possibly go
It's
through
so,
the
like-
scenario and make up what you might say, Dylan,
like-
to a friend who might be asking to cheat off of you? Do you know what you would say to somebody?
Probably not.
Oh, it sticks to you.
What if you thought of something that you could say?
It's literally like the softest tissue paper I've ever felt in my life. I don't really know.
Wow.
Thinking ahead of what you could possibly say to peers if they ask you if they could cheat, or if they
Is it
ask you
starting?
to
It kind
People
of
have asked me before.
The
do
bottom-
something you don't want to do.
Probably because
The
of-
bottom's get. Oh,
It's
it's starting
helping
to
you
smoke.
prepare.
It's starting to smoke.
It is. And it's
then-
not the cup that's smoking, it's the water that's boiling and evaporating.
Was
from
the
inside
water cold
Zoom
originally?
in.
Yep.
Once all the
This is
water
original water right
evaporates,
here.
then the cup will start to burn.
Another way
like
to
it.
prepare yourself
I really
is
think we should.
to identify your accountability partners. And that's something you're going to do in winning in life. Knowing who you can talk to about certain situations is a great way to prepare yourself for peer pressure.